Not only the retail space, even banking stocks, they are in focus on the back of Q1 business updates. Gaurav is joining us with more details in this one. Gaurav.
Well, let's talk about Punjab National Bank. A weak set of number is what we saw from the quarterly updates, because when we look at loan book growth, that came in at around 9.7%. Now, let's not forget that for the entire industry, the banking industry's loan book growth has been slower for this quarter, and it seems that bank is actually reflecting the same weakness. But on the other hand, when we talk about deposits, there also we saw a good set of number at around 12% growth. Now, when we look at CD ratio for the bank, it is now currently at 71%, and that is the reason why the loan book growth weakness is something to be focused upon, because CD ratio can also drag down margins. Other than that, Indian Bank, on the other hand, came up with good set of numbers. The growth for loans were at around 11% on a year-on-year basis, and this was actually supported by the RAM segment, which is retail, agri and MSME. There we saw a very strong set of numbers. In terms of deposits also, a good set of numbers is what we saw. The bank grew its deposit at around 9.5%, which is actually in line with what the guidance they had given for FY26. CSB Bank also came up with good set of numbers, and this time again, bank reported a very great set of numbers with more than 30% growth in terms of loan book. When we look at loan book growth, that was at around 32% growth, which was supported by the gold loan portfolio, which grew at around 35% on a year-on-year basis. In terms of deposits also, a very healthy set of number is what we saw, with a growth of more than 20%. So definitely good set of number is what we can call for CSB Bank as well as Indian Bank. But on the other hand, on the back of weak set of numbers for advances growth, PNB Bank is going to be in focus.
Mixed trends emerging from